In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Gifs to Trello, a task that can really enhance the visual appeal and functionality of your boards. Whether you're using Trello for project management, personal organization, or team collaboration, adding Gifs can make your boards more engaging and dynamic. So let's dive right in. First, let's open your favorite web browser and head to Trello.com. Once there, you'll want to log in. You can do this by clicking on the Login button, prominently displayed at the top right of the page. For those who prefer quick access, you have the option to log in using your email or even more conveniently, your Google account. This gives you a seamless and secure way to access your Trello workspace. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Trello homepage. Now find your way to the boards section. This is where all the magic happens. Your boards are organized under the Your Workspaces section, which is a neat way to keep everything categorized, whether by projects or different teams. Now, click on the board where you want to add the GIF. Once you've selected your board, here's the fun part. To add a GIF, navigate to the location where your GIF is stored, whether it's on your computer or an online source. Simply drag and drop the GIF onto the card you want to embellish in your Trello board. This is a quick and intuitive way to enrich your cards visually without hassle. After you've added the GIF, click on the card you've placed it in. This step brings up the card details where you can manage its content. Here's where you'll spot your GIF neatly located in the attachment section of the card. This makes it easy to view your attachments and ensures everything is organized and accessible whenever you need it. Remember, adding GIFs to your Trello cards isn't just for fun. It can be a strategic way to keep your team engaged, communicate ideas visually, and add a touch of personality to your workflow. Whether you're illustrating a point, celebrating successes, or just adding a bit of flair, GIFs can brighten up your workspace and make project management a more enjoyable experience. So there you have it, a straightforward way to add color and movement to your Trello boards. Go ahead and try it out and see how GIFs can enhance your productivity and collaboration. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more useful tutorials and tips. See you next time.